What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. If you're stopping in for the first time or haven't been here before, get down there and click that subscribe button. Also, while you're down there, if you're also subscribed already or you are just subscribing now, click that notification bell so you know when more videos on this build go live. There's gonna be a lot coming out, a lot of content rapidly here because we went from stock to lifted. The wheels should be coming in very soon, and then after that we got a lot of mods that will be being added to this truck. Today we're doing a huge steering upgrade for this truck with the 37s and them being 13 wide and a -25 offset on these wheels. When they come in, they'll be sticking out, and wide wheels, wide tires, they tend to track down the road. So without the proper steering buffer or assistance, it's not gonna be a good ride. Today we're adding the BDS dual steering stabilizer kit to the truck. These stabilizers are about a $500 add-on to your lift kit when you get it. It makes all the difference. Don't spare any expense when putting lift kits on your truck. I'm gonna tell you that. Just got off work. It is 90 degrees here. In the winter we complain it's too cold, in the summer we complain it's too hot, but man, I'm sweating. It's hot, it's humid. We're gonna get out there, we're gonna get back, and we're gonna do this stabilizer install. So we're all fully prepared for when the wheels come in, slap them on, and the truck is ready to roll. I was gonna wait, but like I said, once the wheels come in, I can just mount them all up, put them together, and the truck will be ready to go. So we're gonna head out back, and we're gonna get these stabilizers installed. So just like the Fox 2.0 shocks on the truck itself, we're doing the Fox 2.0 steering stabilizers. All I can say is, man, this thing looks funny with stock tires. I cannot wait for my wheels to come in. It will completely change the look of this truck. It's the usual shredded cardboard packing. So here's everything in the kit, all our hardware, 5 parts to the bracketry, instructions, and it came with a nice, cool little sticker. Like I said earlier in the video, this is an important part to your truck. I know Dodge's down the road, their steering does not get to the get the best. So giving it support if you're putting these giant wheels, giant tires, lift on it, given the steering all the extra support it needs because you're overloading it, then stock helps. Along with this, I will be buying a steering box brace soon here. Not as worried about that. That's for more down the road, but it'll be soon. But like I said, get everything done up front so you're not getting screwed in the end. Alright, so we have all three parts of the bracket installed, the passenger, driver, and the center. Right behind the center you saw I painted that up because the rust down a little bit. Obviously that wasn't hit from factory because there was a plate there, so just hit it while you take that other plate off. And we got all three brackets on, passenger, the center, and the driver. Alright guys, there you have it. That is the BDS Fox 2.0 dual steering stabilizer install. Super easy install. And not only does it make the truck, handle better, it makes it look more rugged. It makes it look more, ready to take on anything. Look at that. You can hear me over the air conditioners. That looks so good. That's for sure. Look at that. Like I said, guys, super easy install. Cost a little bit of money, but when you're building your truck, building your car, do it right. Don't cheap out. I've been there. I've done that. I've done the cheap parts, and you just get burned in the end. Sure, spend a little extra money, but you're paying for good quality products. With that being said, my wheels should be here soon. I know all you guys are begging me. Wheels. I know. I'm about to call up Soda myself tomorrow while I'm at work and say, yo, where are my wheels at? So I can figure this out, get them shipped in, get them on the truck, and then we can go from there. Start getting into the air intakes, deletes, stuff like that, tuning, steering upgrade. Highly recommended. I'm gonna go take this thing for a spin, back around the block, and see how she feels. But I want to say thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, shoot this video a thumbs up. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. And if you haven't been here before, please click subscribe. Follow the build. Peace.